Hey guys, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a scientist. I love doing experiments and discovering new things. Maybe I can even invent a time machine or a rocket ship.
Wow, that sounds cool. But isn't science hard and boring? You have to learn a lot of math and stuff.
No way. Science is fun and exciting. You get to use your imagination and creativity. And math is awesome too. It helps you solve problems and understand the world better.
I guess so. But I think I would rather be a pilot. I love flying and traveling. I want to see different places and cultures. Maybe I can even go to space someday.
That's awesome too, but isn't flying dangerous and scary? You have to deal with bad weather and turbulence. And what if you get lost or crash?
No way. Flying is safe and thrilling. You get to feel the wind and the freedom. And you always have a map and a radio to guide you. Plus, you get to wear a cool uniform and sunglasses.
I guess so. But what about you, Lisa? What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor. I love helping people and making them feel better. Maybe I can even cure diseases or save lives.
Wow, that's amazing. But isn't being a doctor hard and stressful? You have to work long hours and deal with sick and sad people.
No way. Being a doctor is rewarding and fulfilling. You get to use your knowledge and skills. And you always have a team and a mentor to support you. Plus, you get to wear a white coat and a stethoscope.
I guess so. But you know what? I think we can all be whatever we want to be. As long as we work hard and follow our dreams.
Yeah, you're right. We can do anything we set our minds to.
Yeah, we can. And we'll always be friends, no matter what.
Yeah, we will. Friends forever.
What are you doing? You have been watching TV for hours. Don't you have any homework to do? Or any chores to help around the house?
I don't have any homework. And I already did my chores yesterday. Why are you always nagging me?
I'm not nagging you. I'm worried about you. You know your grades have been dropping lately. And you don't seem to have any interest in anything else besides TV.
So what? It's not like school is important. It's boring and hard, and I don't need to do anything else. TV is fun and relaxing.
School is important. It's not just about learning facts and skills. It's about developing your mind and your personality. It's about discovering your passions and your talents. It's about preparing yourself for the future.
Future? What future? The world is a mess. There's no point in planning for anything. I'd rather just enjoy the present.
That's a very short-sighted and pessimistic view of life. The world may have its problems, but it also has its opportunities and its wonders. You have so much potential, my dear. You can do anything you set your mind to. But you have to work hard and be disciplined. You have to challenge yourself and grow as a person. You have to find your purpose and your happiness.
How do I do that?
Well, for starters, you can turn off the TV and do something more productive and creative. You can read a book, or draw a picture, or play an instrument, or write a story, or do anything else that sparks your imagination and curiosity. You can also join some clubs or activities at school, or volunteer for a cause, or make some friends who share your interests and values. You can also talk to me or your dad or your teachers or anyone else who can guide you and support you. We love you very much, honey. We just want you to be happy and successful.
I love you too, Mom. I'm sorry for being rude and lazy. Maybe you're right. Maybe I should try something new. Can you help me?
Of course I can help you. I'm always here for you. Come on, let's go to the library and find some books that might interest you.
Okay, Mom, let's go.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.